The housing market here in Austin, Texas continues to rebound as we head full steam into the summer selling season. But you're probably still hearing doom and gloom in the headline news. Well, let's get after what's really happening with home prices here in Austin, Texas, and what this means for you if you're thinking about buying or selling a home. Hey everyone, home prices continue to rebound here in Austin, Texas, and we're covering exactly how much they've gone up and what that means for you if you're either looking to buy or sell a home in the coming months. Now, this is probably completely different from what you may be hearing in the news. You're probably hearing that the housing market is crashing and home prices are in free fall. There are two reasons why you're hearing this. Basically, the news is looking at data that is always lagging a month or two, and they're strictly comparing it to home prices from 1 year ago. I track home prices every month, and I actively sell homes here in Austin, Texas. So I have first-hand knowledge of what's actually happening in negotiations with buyers and with sellers. So let's get after what's happening with home prices and if we are in a buyer's or seller's market. And first, really quick, my name is Xochitl Cervantes with RockStone Real Estate Group here in Austin, Texas. And if you're looking to make a move, well, give me a call, text me, or email me and let's chat. Or if you know someone looking to buy, pass this video on to them and have them call me. All right, so we all know that mortgage rates are the main driver of the housing market, and rates shot up over this past year. This happened not only because the Fed was hiking interest rates, but also because of how inflation was. Mortgage rates are directly tied to inflation, and when inflation was 9% about a year ago, mortgage rates will have to catch up to that number. It's actually a relief that mortgage rates only ever got as high as 7.2, 7.5, and didn't hit 9%. That would have completely crushed the housing market. Now rates have stabilized around the high 6% mark. Inflation fell again this past month to 4%, and it looks like it'll continue to fall over the coming months. Mortgage rates should continue to fall as inflation falls as well. Since mortgage rates have stabilized and the buyer market has come to grips with the current mortgage rates, buyer activity overall has picked up. It cooled a little as the national debt ceiling debate was going on, but appears to have picked up again. If mortgage rates do fall in line with falling inflation, expect buyer activity to start really picking up, and with that, home prices will continue to rise. At this point, those stabilized mortgage rates are reflected in our housing prices here in Austin, Texas. So let's get after home prices here in Austin, Texas. Housing prices rose this past month to $475,000. Median sales prices for a single-family home last month were around $473K. So they rose just about 0.0023%. Overall, the market is fairly flat year over year now. Condos also remain steady this past month, and the median price right now is $395,000. Now, we saw the housing prices bottom out a few months ago in February, around $437K median sales price, and they've been climbing up ever since. So you can see right there that the news is reporting declining prices, because they're comparing it to over a year ago. Home prices have already bottomed down and are on the way back up. Inventory of homes has risen this month to 88,960. This is higher than what we had last year at this time, but it's still almost half of what a normal market should be on this time of year. The length of time that homes are taking to sell is starting to shorten, and is averaging 66 days on the market. This is another sign the market has been picking up again as we head into summer. I've been seeing buyer demand really pick up the past couple of months, and we've been seeing bidding wars on home price and marketed well. If the home is overpriced, well, then it's still taking a little bit of time to sell. And the other big data point that I like to look at is the final sales to list price percentage. This tells us how much above or below the list price that homes on average sold for. If on average the final sales price is 98% of the original list price, well, that is considered a balanced market. Anything over indicates a seller's market, and below indicates a buyer's market. Here in Austin, Texas, we are now at 94.8% final sales to list price, showing us we're still in a buyer's market, but we are seeing this number come up over the past few months, swinging us into a seller's market pretty soon. And that's how I can help you navigate the buying prices. I help you analyze each home to come up with a specific strategy needed and negotiate to help buy your next home. You just need to give me a call, text me, or email me, and let's get started. Now, if you're planning to sell a home, we really need to take a good look at your home and come up with the right strategy to successfully market it and sell your home. Just like for buyers, every home is unique and has its own strengths and weaknesses. So sometimes a home needs a lot of repairs, a lot of remodeling, a lot of upgrades prior to hitting the market, like paint, carpet, landscaping, and roofing work. And other times, well, it just needs to be decluttered and thoroughly clean. Now, as we head into what I will call a balance plus market, you may need to plan to do some repairs that come up on the buyer's inspections, or give credits to help the home buyers buy down the interest rate to secure that home. Well, and that's why it's more important than ever that you call me so we can put together a customized plan to sell your home on the best terms you're looking for. We'll make sure we don't overprice the home, causing it to sit for months. Instead, we may price it with my proven strategy to generate tons of traffic online, which will turn into showings and then offers and then a bidding war. This will give you the leverage you need to get the price and terms that you want. If you're wanting to get an idea of what your home may sell for and what it should be priced at, well, contact me and I'll run a no obligation home valuation for you. And well, friends, that's a complete overview of the housing market here in Austin, Texas. Leave a comment or email me back. If let me know what you thought about in the comments, and I'll see you on the next video.